Hi everyone, in this video we'll demonstrate how to install and configure an EAP in your office or home. First, let's take a look at a typical network topology. The EAP receives data and power from a PoE switch connected to your network, via web interface or via EAP controller software. If you only have one or two EAPs, then the web interface should be suitable. The web interface only lets you configure and manage one EAP at a time. If you have a larger number of EAPs, however, then we recommend using the EAP controller software, since you can configure and manage multiple EAPs at the same time quickly and easily. To manage via the web interface method, which remember is only recommended if you have one or two EAPs, the first thing to do is connect a computer to the EAP's network wirelessly, using the default SSID found on the product label. After you're done, launch a web browser and go to tplinkeap.net. Use admin for both the username and password to log in. Create a new username and password for better security. You can then begin to modify the wireless parameters. Thanks for watching.
The OC200 Omada Cloud Controller provides centralized management of the Omada network. In this video, we'll show you how to set up the OC200 via a web browser. Step 1. Connect the OC200 to your local network. The OC200 requires 802.3 AF PoE power. To power on the OC200, plug in a Ethernet cable to its PoE end port, and connect the other end of the cable to a PoE port of a switch. The OC200 requires an internet connection to complete the setup via the Omada Cloud. When an OC200 with factory default settings has internet connection, the cloud LED will flash slowly. Now connect your PC to the internet to complete the setup of the OC200 via the web browser on your PC. Step 2. Getting ready for the setup. Make sure your PC has an internet connection before continuing. Then open up a web browser and go to the website omada.tplinkcloud.com. Step 3. Create a TP-Link ID. If you already have a TP-Link account associated with our wireless routers or Kasa smart home devices, you can use that same account for your OC200 and skip this step. If you do not have a TP-Link Cloud account, you will need to create one before continuing. Go ahead and click on Sign Up. Enter an email address you'd like to use for your new TP-Link ID, and then enter a password and confirm that password. You will need to agree to TP-Link's terms of use and privacy policy. Click the checkbox and click Sign Up. You will receive an activation email. Check the email and click to finish registration. Step 4. Log in with your TP-Link ID. On the main screen, enter your email and password used to create the TP-Link ID to log in. Step 5. Add the OC200 to your TP-Link ID. Click on Add Cloud Controller. Verify that the cloud LED of the OC200 is flashing slowly. If not, make sure the OC200 does have an internet connection. If it is still not working, try to push the reset button on the back of the OC200 for about 5 seconds to restore the factory defaults, and try again. Click on Next. Enter the device key printed on the bottom of the OC200. Then type the characters in the image and click Next. The OC200 is now successfully added to your TP-Link ID. Step 6. Set up the OC200. Click Launch to enter the OC200 setup wizard. Follow the wizard to complete the setup of the OC200. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.